Hello everybody. In this video tutorial we would like to show how you can hide your phone number in Telegram. First of all, expand to more options, go for the settings. In here you have the privacy and security category, that's what you want to head straight for. And in here at the privacy section you can see that we are able to decide for whom our phone number is visible. So let's go ahead and edit that. So we can either make it so that everybody can see it, my contacts, or nobody. In our case, the option that we are particularly interested in is nobody. As you can see, once we go for the nobody value, this who can find me by my number option appears right here. So it is either everybody or only the contacts. There is also an option to add the exceptions for whom we will always allow our phone number to be seen. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.